Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is almost confirmed. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be a next big thing this year for tech enthusiasts, and that Samsung will change the game for foldable phone. Since we know with that kind of a price, it was hard for Samsung to sell more units of Galaxy Fold than other series. But here are some of the facts we get from Samsung where they claim big. If Samsung stick to its tradition, we may see Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 in August 2022, but it may slide to September due to ongoing chip shortage. Nothing too fancy is going to happen in Galaxy Z Flip, but Galaxy Z Fold 4 will going to get a major updates from its previous generation Galaxy Z Fold 3. But are these changes even valuable for new customers who are willing to get the Galaxy Z Fold 4? Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Galaxy Z Flip 4 or Galaxy Z Fold 4. Which one would you prefer? Previously, it was Korean blog post, but now Dohoyo Kim on his official Twitter account mentioned that Samsung is going to use UTG ultra thin glass in upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4, which will eventually improve the durability of Galaxy Z Fold 4. And Samsung is going to name this glass Super UTG for marketing purposes. But a sad news for people who thinks that Galaxy Z Flip 4 will going to get the same glass, but it is not going to happen this time. Samsung shipped 2.5 million Galaxy Z Fold 3 units in 2021 and one of the top foldable phone selling company in the world. But in this year, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, Samsung is projecting a 70% rise in the shipment this year, which is insane. Not just that, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, but also Galaxy Z Flip 4, since Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is one of the most selling foldable phones of last year. According to the Perfect PFP Twitter account, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 3 will going to have LTPO display, which means that they can go from 1Hz to 120Hz depending on your usage to save battery life. He also tweeted that Galaxy Z Flip will not come with the UDC, which is under-display camera. As we all know, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 included under-display front camera, and this time Galaxy Z Fold 4 will going to have the same, but improved under-display camera, and rumors are pointing out that Samsung will use the same under-display camera in upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra. But the only concern that I have was under-display camera can never come close to the quality that we are getting from normal selfie camera. Let's see what Samsung bring to the table and tackle this issue. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Galaxy Z Flip 4 or Galaxy Z Fold 4. Which one would you prefer? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.